Hi friends, good morning. This is Tarun the Vagabond. And today we are traveling to Maliguda, which is close to Jaipur. It is almost like 30 kilometer from Jaipur, and it's in the bypass. And you have to take the right when you are coming from Jaipur to Ambaguda, which is the closest place to Jaipur. So on that way you have to take right just after the pharmacy college. Friends, so you can see the big hill, right? And the just beside the hill there is a cut mark. So that's the railway track that goes up to the Maliguda station. So Maliguda station, it's a tunnel, and then from the tunnel it goes out, and in between two hills there is a high bridge. So the bridge is considered to be one of the highest railway bridge. I'm going to the point up to the Maliguda station, right? It's right over there. Let's go there. Hope you are viewing this entire scene. It's beautiful, you can see, right? And I'm only here because of you. I want to show the wonderful nature of Orissa, and especially in Jaipur and Koraput district, a lot of forest areas are there, the unexplored areas, which are really beautiful. So you should come and explore Orissa, especially Jaipur and Koraput area. So finally we have reached the Maliguda station. I'll show you the board. This is Maliguda station, and if you walk down there a kilometer, so you can see the tunnel in this way. So friends, we are walking almost a kilometer from Maliguda station towards the tunnel, and on the way you can see the view, and it's on a high altitude, so you can see a wide view over here, and the greenery, the cultivated land which is almost ready to harvest, and you can see the brown color of the harvesting land. All right, the river, the mountains. Oh, I simply love my birthplace, and actually this is beautiful. See, look at this, the river and the flowers on the river bank. It's really awesome. I don't want to go back to Delhi, man. Really, I want to belong to this place. Look at the view. Oi, oi, oi. My goodness, I am coming almost like after 20 years now. I came here during my college days, and my goodness, look at this. And we are just walking beside the railway track towards the tunnel. I'm just trying to capture as much as possible. I'm not sure if the video or the camera can do justice to this view. Look at this lush green forest. Right, let's move on then, guys. You can see the bridge is 500 meter ahead. Come on, guys, let's go there. We are walking on the track. Actually, there is no other means to come to this place. Once you come to the station, from there the bridge is almost like a kilometer from there, so you have to walk down. Generally people don't come there. There is another way just below the bridge, so you have to come or walk up the hill up to the station. So that's actually very painful to walk a kilometer up the hill, so it's very tiring, and there is no proper road over there, so that's why we preferred coming on the railway track. Okay, we are taking baby steps. The surprise is yet to come. Hope you guys are enjoying this view. This is awesome, man. This is worth coming here. You can see the view. My goodness. I don't know what reservoir is there. There is a water reservoir over there. I can see far away. I'm not sure if the camera can cover that distance. Oh, wow. Look at that. There is a dam. My goodness. I don't know what dam is that. I don't even remember when I last time came this dam was visible or not, but this looks awesome. Hope you can see that hill, small hill, and at the bottom you can see some water, right? And there is a bridge. Here comes the tunnel. Hope you guys are able to see the glimpse of it. Let's go into it. We'll walk up to the tunnel. Okay. एक इंसान नहीं दिखा मुझे यहाँ पे. I'm not sure this is haunted place. ना स्टेशन पे एक आदमी दिखा, ना रेलवे ट्रैक पे कोई गार्ड दिखा, ना कोई स्टेशन मास्टर हमें रुका, ना कोई टीटी स्टेशन पे था. So we are all alone. Oh my god. Look at this, man. Hope you guys can see the tunnel. The length is like 216 meter. Okay. And it says tunnel number 4G. length 216 meter. Exactly when we go out of this tunnel, there is a bridge which connects the two mountains. क्या बोलते हो, चले अंदर? Hope you guys are not scared. Okay guys, we are just in front of the tunnel. You can see. Okay, let's take out our torch. Da. Let's go inside. टॉर्च हाथ दूर पे मार लिया अगर कोई भालू वालू होगा तो भागेंगे यहाँ से. Hope you guys can see the light on the other side of the tunnel. बस एक ट्रेन आ जाए बस, तो वो भी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाए हम लोगों की. इस टनल से आपको ट्रेन जाने की भी दिखा देंगे. ओके, सो यू कैन सी यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्पेस दिया गया है. दिस आर ऑल फॉर इमरजेंसी केसेस के लिए, जहाँ पे अगर आप रुकना है तो फिर आप रुक सकते हो. जब ट्रेन आए तो भाग के आप इससे छोटे छोटे स्पेस बनाया गया है शेल्टर के लिए. वैसे ट्रेन आने से पहले काफ़ी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, ट्रैक से भी आवाज़ें आने लगती है, ची 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 आवाज़ें आने लगती है. राइट नाउ आई डोंट हियर एनीथिंग. एंड एक्चुअली दिस ट्रैक इज़ मोस्टली यूज फॉर योर goods trains and all. Only few passenger trains go from this route. Some of the passenger trains go from Jagdalpur to Bhubaneswar and via this route. Most probably that goes in the morning time. I'm not sure about the timings. Wow, you can see the light on the other side of the tunnel. Wow man, this is awesome. Okay. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful man. Awesome. Simply awesome. Wow. Finally we made it. We made it, man. We made it. Okay, let's go to the bridge then. Okay, we have to run and we have to go to that. Actually, there is a small space given on the bridge, so we will run and we'll go. Okay, let's start the run. Come on, come on, come on. Before the train comes, so we can run up to that place. आजा 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 जल्दी. Guys, there is a train. Guys, this is literally shaking. This place, you can see it is an extension of the railway track. See how it is vibrating. How it is vibrating. Look at that. My goodness, this is an amazing experience. Wow, I have listened this story a lot of times, but today I could experience it myself. I'm really amazed. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. The tunnel is here from where we have come. There is a stream that is actually flowing under this bridge. You can see the stream. It comes all the way from the mountains. Look at this view. Okay, if you really like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And this is one of the best places in Orissa where you can come and enjoy. You can come and go for camping, and also you can have your own tent. You can spend a night over here. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, Tarun the Vagabond. Keep safe and stay tuned. Bye bye.